Meaning of dopa.
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 Dopa. The word dopa can be interpreted in different ways depending on the context and language. In English, it can refer to a dopaminergic drug used to treat Parkinson's disease or increase athletic performance. In Spanish, dopa is a slang term for flattery or compliments. In Swedish, dopa means baptism. In general, dopaminergic drugs can alleviate the symptoms of Parkinson's disease by increasing dopamine levels in the brain. However, they can also have side effects such as dyskinesia, hallucinations, and elevated heart rate.